This is the plaintiff, Frank Alberigo. He says he was about to pull into a parking spot, and out of nowhere, the defendant sideswiped his car, ripping off the side view mirror and damaging his fender. The defendant's insurance company denied the claim. He's out $1,431 and is suing the careless defendant here and now for every penny of it. This is the defendant, Brian Gillette. He says the plaintiff was illegally double parked, and as he swerved to avoid another car, he knocked the guy's mirror off. There was no other damage to the plaintiff's car caused by him, but now he's trying to blame him for prior scrapes and dents, and that's simply not cool. Owe the plaintiff money when he was the one blocking the normal flow of traffic? No way. He's accused of getting too close.
Mr. Alberigo, you were suing Mr. Gillette for damages to your car. Tell me what happened.
Okay, on March 3rd, I was parked with my back at the intersection of 8th Avenue and 3rd Street.
Why don't you come up to this chart and maybe help me out visually and tell me what happened? Pick one car to be you and then pick one car to be him.
I was going to park in a parking space.
Okay, but are you in the intersection or are you further back? Where are you?
Right before the intersection.
Right before the intersection.
And there was space available.
So there's a space available, so you pull forward and then you're going to parallel park in, backwards, right?
Right, I was already parked there. And I had my reverse lights on and my indicator.
How long had you been there?
Maybe about a minute. And I saw cars.
Okay, but stop a second. You're there a minute doing what? Because these are 2 lanes of traffic, correct?
Right.
Aren't there people trying to go?
I was waiting for them to pass so I can park without obstructing another lane.
Okay, but here's my question. You had come this way and then you saw it available?
Yes.
Okay, so you were here waiting for the people to get around you so that you would have enough clearance to parallel park?
Yes.
Oh, gosh, it's like pulling teeth. All right, go ahead.
Okay, so I had my reverse lights on,
Yes.
my indicator
Yes.
lights on. As I was waiting for the cars to go by, I sort of tensed up and I saw that this car was coming very close.
That's this car, that's him.
Mr. Gillette.
Okay.
So I saw him coming, like I tensed up and then
You tensed up?
I tensed up because I figured he was coming. I was stopped that he was going to hit me. He was coming very close and then he swerved and he hit my car with my mirror and proceeded to pass the until he stopped, and I went over to tell him what happened.
You think he just misjudged it?
Well, he could have, or he stated that another car was pushing into him, caused him to sway. Rightfully so. That's what the police reports
Okay.
stated.
Can I see? So the police were called?
Yes.
May I see the police report and may I see the damages to your car? Mr. Gillette, step right on up.
Okay.
We don't have the damages.
Okay. So, I was driving a 2004 Volvo XC90. So
Okay.
this will be my car.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll use my imagination.
All right. So this 8th Avenue has cars parked on the
Right.
shoulders. It's a Brooklyn road.
Right.
And I was driving in the right lane of 8th Avenue.
Right.
When another vehicle
That's parked.
No, driving behind me actually tried to pass me using the shoulder on my right side.
People are such jerks.
I slammed on the brakes because there was only a tiny bit of space left for this car to actually get ahead of me before he would have impacted the car that was parked.
That would be his problem, but go ahead.
I slammed on my brakes and tried to swerve away from this guy as he ended up crashing into the side of my car, taking my mirror off.
Wait, that guy hit you?
It was a hit and run.
That guy hit you?
That guy hit me.
Do you have damages to your car where you're sideswiped?
Yes, and the police report actually indicates that both sides of my car having point of impact.
Was there another car involved in this accident that made him swerve?
I didn't particularly see it, but it could have, like I said.
Did he say that from the beginning?
Yes, he did.
And when he said that, did he say that the car actually impacted him?
He said he pushed into him, causing him to hit me.
And nobody got the tag or anything? That guy never stopped? And
He did not stop. It was a white vehicle.
what did your insurance company say? Because that's why you pay premiums, so you don't have to be here tolerating my questions.
So my insurance, so we...
Yeah, go on back.
Okay, thank you. And I have some pictures if you would like. My insurance, Frank submitted a claim to my insurance company. My insurance company denied the claim, attributing the blame on the third vehicle, which had left the scene. And they felt that the onus was on that vehicle's insurer and therefore rejected Frank's claim.
So if the defendant's pushed into the plaintiff's car by somebody else, is the defendant responsible?
I don't think so.
Why not?
He didn't have the intent to go into the plaintiff's car.
Fair point. What do you think?
I think it's not his fault. Like, if he gets in the car, it's not because of him, it's because the other person hit him.
Fair point. Okay, compelling. Going inside the courtroom.
Do you have the kind of insurance that covers your damage?
No, I had a deductible of $1,000.
Yeah.
But as soon as a squirrel came and he swayed the
No,
squirrel
because
and
you
hit me,
shouldn't
wouldn't
swirl
he be
for a
liable?
squirrel. And
when
with
he's-
all due respect to all the squirrel lovers out there, but if you get hit and propelled into another car like he did, that's a different story. It's not his fault. And this is those moments where we wish that maybe we had that kind of insurance that would cover us when we. My verdict is for the defendant. Good luck, folks.
Both sides are very believable, and nobody did anything wrong. There's nothing you can blame on the defendant, unfortunately, for you. What's your reaction to this verdict?
I thought it was unfair because if another car hits you and he admits it and he hits my car, why wouldn't he be liable? He admitted
Because he was
it.
avoiding somebody else who hit him.
Where's the guy? I mean, if
Yeah,
he
where
didn't
is
get
the guy?
he could just be saying that.
All right, head right down the hallway here, and let's see what the defendant has to say about coming out on the winning end of this case. Your feelings here?
Hi.
Step up a little.
Okay.
Hello?
Well, I honestly feel a little badly for Frank. I feel badly that has to pay for all this. I'm going to call my insurance company again and plead to them to actually pay his claim. I think it would only be the right thing for them to do.
What do you got, Harvey?
To win a case like this, Kurt, you need to prove negligence. It's a lack of ordinary care. And the bottom line here is the defendant didn't show that, so the plaintiff loses.
Don't text and drive.